What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. What can you get at Dollar Tree to eat for $1 or $1.25? I'm going to show you guys what's in the coolers here at my store. My store has recently transitioned to $1.25 for the most part. I also just discovered this new Powerade Lemon Zero Sugar Water, full of vitamins. Sounds kind of good. Sounds kind of refreshing. But I think my store is going through a little bit of a transition just because of the new prices. All of these coolers here are empty. Yes, empty shelves at Dollar Tree. Maybe they had to do a cooler repair, or maybe, I don't know, maybe they had to like install new shelving because everything looks pretty immaculate and clean. So I'm guessing they maybe planned for that project. But yeah, you guys, we have a lot of good items here in Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's still a great deal. We have all of our frozen vegetables. The frozen asparagus, I recently tried that. It still tasted pretty good, but it got pretty like, pretty pretty soggy. So I wouldn't recommend that one, but the mixed veggies are good. The spring rolls are good. I love the crispy coating that's created on the outside of the spring rolls. However, Birdy thinks they're a little bit salty. They're finger size and you get 10 to a pack and they taste pretty good. Definitely worth a try. Maybe we'll just stick to some normal shelved items, you guys, since my store is going through a transition with new shelving. Let's come on over here and see what we can find, because my favorite stalker in the whole wide world is busy over here making everything look beautiful. Ooh, hot and spicy chicken. These are the Maruchan ramen bowls. 3.32 ounces, still $1. And it looks like Dollar Tree is going to be giving us the yellow and green themed blocks. Like, okay, these items are $1. We have lima beans, sliced carrots, sliced potatoes. So here are items that are still $1. Green beans, cream style sweet corn, whole white potatoes, sliced carrots, veggie blends, the big the 19 ounce Hanover black beans. We have the tomatoes, okra, and corn, the Goya refried beans. They're vegan. With the La Sierra refried pinto beans, Bruce's yams. We have Goya frijoles negros, Goya garbanzos, y salsa de tomate, all from Goya. We also have top ramen in beef and in chicken. These are our $1 items. We also have the Maruchan yakisoba teriyaki chicken flavor and the teriyaki beef. Teriyaki chicken, teriyaki beef. We have the fiery Korean chicken stir fry, the tapatio shrimp, and I think that's it for the $1 items. So it's nice to know that you can still get some of your basics here. Also, I think some gums, the majority of the gums, canned good, some candy, and gums are $1. Now, I've been in love with this one particular soup, and I should have gotten it earlier in the day. The healthy choice, my kids like that, but the Campbell's chicken noodle soup with the thick egg noodles, they've been loving that, and I've been loving it too. It tastes so nice and good, and it's only 1 Weight Watchers points, 1 WW point to anyone that's on Weight Watchers. This is only 2 points. I'm actually gonna put a few more of these in my cart because I better get them while they're here. Even though I have quite a few soups at home, I think I'm gonna get just a little bit. There we go. My kids have really been into soup lately. These are new too. Pioneer brown gravy mix makes 2 cups, sorry. The peppered gravy mix. We also have the country gravy mix. Let's look on the back. Here are the nutrition facts. We have the Knorr rice sides, chicken flavor, also the Alfredo, and of course a variety of mac and cheeses. We also have a pretty big container of refried beans by La Sierra, Mexico's #1 bestseller. 60 seconds in the microwave, 15.2 ounces. We also have some La Sierra over here, refried pinto beans. This is 20.5 ounces for $1, or for 15.2 ounces, $1.25, but in a microwave pouch. Orleans Flake White Albacore in water, that's definitely new. Smoked oysters, I haven't seen these in a long time here at Dollar Tree. I think I'm actually gonna get a few, okay, 5. I'm gonna get 5 of these. My kids like those, and they haven't had them in a long time. We have the Leaping Leopard No Stick Cooking Spray, canola flavored and butter flavored. We have chocolate fudge, hot pink vanilla, regular vanilla, chocolate fudge, and cream cheese icings, all from Pillsbury, and these are all, how many ounces? The serving is 2 tablespoons, 140 calories, 2.5 grams of saturated fat. These are 10 ounces each. We have strawberry cake, traditional chocolate, traditional vanilla, and traditional yellow. And then up here we have some just add water or milk chocolate chip muffin mixes by Betty Crocker. Then we also have a blueberry one in the back. These are 6.5 ounces. And a peanut butter cookie mix. So we have lots from Pillsbury and lots from, well, a few from Betty Crocker this week, including the mug treats. We also have the white vinegar by Leaping Leopard and the apple cider vinegar by Leaping Leopard. Again, these are all $1.25 items. Original pancake syrup by Utopia, 24 ounces. This one is also 24 ounces. The Loretta pancake mix is 14 ounces. And behind me, lots of the regular condiments. Japanese style breadcrumbs. We have our Bullseye's barbecue sauce, our yellow mustard, our Hunt's tomato ketchup. We have classic sweet relish, little coffee mate, creamers. We even have the little ones, chill after opening, the little hazelnuts by Coffee Mate. Those are shelf stable. Oh, the big egg noodles are back. Those cost $1.89 at Aldi, but $1.25 here, and you get 12 ounces. I was looking for those a few weeks back. High in fiber, Fiber Boost chocolate. Naturally flavored chocolate brownie bar. And the s'mores instant oatmeals are still here. My kids have been liking those. There was also a strawberry banana one that they really liked. But hey, you guys, that's it for me. That's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start another one. But hold up, what is this, you guys? Splash Blast. Okay, Splash Blast. Acai grape flavored, 0 calories and electrolytes. Contains no juice. I'll let my kids give it a try. Yeah, let's try it. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's good. Have you guys seen these in your stores? If so, have you tried them, and have you seen any other flavors? Because this is my first time seeing these. And 6 to a pack is really nice. But hey, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming along. I love shopping with you guys here in Dollar Tree. Please say hi down below in the comments, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know what you want to see next time I come into Dollar Tree. I'm here to help you guys save money and post videos every single day. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.